Greetings, YouTube. Red here. Just want to do a quick video. This is some Olight stuff, and I'm sure if you're a YouTuber and you're in the know, you've probably seen this stuff all over the place. These guys have great marketing, and I did not get this stuff for free, though. I am not one of their preferred reviewers. This stuff I purchased on my own, and this is a recent deal they had. And if you do decide to get anything from Olight, definitely subscribe to them on Facebook. Wait for their sales because it's way cheaper, and you tend to get some free stuff too. So this is the Baldor Mini, and this is a light, and it's also a green laser as well. And then along with this package came this. This is the IT5. This is just your standard lamp, your standard flashlight that you would carry with you every day. And then for promoting this on your social media, in the deal you also got one of these, and this is the IR2. So let's open this one first, and I'll show you some of the specs for this one here. All right, and this is so this is 150 lumens at high. For low, it's just 5 lumens, and it says it'll do 150 lumens for 40 minutes. Is that right? No, 15 minutes, and 5 lumens for 6 hours. 5 lumens is pretty. That's nothing. So I don't know why you would even want that, but we'll take a look, and we'll see. We'll open this one first, and see what it is there. Here's your instructions that no one is going to read, and this is charged by USB, by the way. So they give you this nice little USB charger, and here we go. Here is the lamp. So, and that is how you charge it. And by the way, the promotion for this, when you did it, the one stipulation though was that you got whatever color they sent you. All right, so this is obviously silver. I don't know if they say that. It does say limited edition on it though. I don't know if that's really the case or not. I don't know how many of these things they make, but this appears to be the silver one. And you charge it by this little USB right there, and it is it's an Android USB, so, which for me is not that great because I am all switched over fully to Apple products now, so I use mainly lightning cables in order to, oh, there we go. So yeah, so that must be low, and there's your high. So yeah, quite a bit of difference. This low one, I mean, you could use that to, find a lock or something like that if it's late at night, and then that I don't know, maybe if you dropped your keys or something. Although if you dropped your keys, I don't know how good this would be, because most people are probably going to wear this on their key ring. It's got this little ring right here. That's what I plan to do with it. So all right, anyhow, that is again, that is the IR2 from Olight, and that is a rechargeable mini light. All right, and then let's do, this is the i5T. Take a look at this one, and this is saying that it is 300 lumens, and it'll do that for 2 hours and 30 minutes. That's on high, and on low it's 15 lumens, and it'll do that for 20 hours, which is pretty good. It's not bad. And this is more of a everyday carry type light that you would carry in your pocket. And I believe this one is in Audi Green. I guess it doesn't say the color on the boxes. Okay, and it says, read me. Before use, unscrew the tail cap and remove the insulating film. So let's go ahead and do that. And there is the film right there. And that's basically for storage and transportation. It keeps the batteries in good shape. And I guess it's just using one AA battery. And I'm assuming you should use an alkaline for that. So, which is good because it's an easily obtainable battery. And there is 300 lumens. So, not bad. Oh, there's 300. So, it's on a pressure switch. So, second one is the high. So that would be, I guess that would be 15, and then that would be 300. So anyways, nice construction on this one. It's nice and thin. It has this nice little clip here. And you use these for this other one here. You can use that on if you're wearing a baseball cap or something. You can put it on your cap if you got an emergency, you need to work on your car or something like that, or you need to look down. So they're pretty useful for that. In fact, I have this is my old EDC that I have been using up till this point. This is a Nebo. This is a Nebo Blue Line, and that one, I can't remember how many lumens this one is, but I have been using this one. This one had one of those clips on it, but I took it off because it was starting to interfere with things. So, and as you can see, this one's gotten quite a bit of use. But I'm going to start carrying this one, and we'll see how that works. But I like the look of this one. It's got some nice... it's like aluminum construction, and this is probably atomized? Yeah, whatever. Okay, so there we go. There's that. And of course you get your instructions with that one too, right here, which we probably won't read. Okay, and again, important to note, this one not rechargeable, but it is a commonly used battery. It's a AA. And that one's easy. Baldor Mini. This is the main reason I got this package was for this. All right. Congratulations on your new Baldor Mini. Increase your accuracy not only at range, but when life depends upon it. Pull out. Okay. All right, and there's your instructions. And there is that's going to be the rail adapter right there that we'll probably install. We're not going to do an installation on this one or anything, because if we decide to put it on a pew, then YouTube will demonetize this. So we're just gonna keep it off of here. We might do one of those later. But anyways, this is it. Very handsome looking color, very handsome looking light. And this one is also rechargeable. This one's got one of these nifty magnetic chargers here. So, boom, just put it right on there, and that'll charge it up. Not sure how long it's going to take for this one. I have an older Olight, and that is this one here. I've shown this on a couple different videos. This is the PL2 Valkyrie. Really like this one a lot, but this is battery. This one uses batteries, and it uses these CR123As. Uses 2 of these. No complaints about this light really at all. I like this one a lot. But I mean, this one is, I think it's like 1,500 lumens. This thing is crazy bright. but it's big. It's obviously much bigger. And it looks like the shade of, this is supposed to be like a coyote FDE slash kind of color. Looks like their shade has gotten darker though. This is definitely kind of a different shade. Cue my my video on OD green slash coyote and all the different forms of it. I'll link that down here. You can see everyone has their own version of what OD green is. All right, so let's see. Now, is there a, I don't know if there's a prep with this one or if we have to charge it up or what. Oh, there we go. Very bright. Quite bright, actually. Very bright. So, so let's see. In the middle of this toggle switch, that's both light and laser. I think this is just laser, and that's just lamp right there. So let's see if we can do just the laser. So there is that's the green laser. It's pretty bright, but as you know, a green laser is definitely better than red. Definitely better in the daytime. But even a green laser in the daytime, you're going to have a hard time seeing this. So these are definitely good in lower light situations. So there's both. This is light and laser, and then that's just light right there. And yeah. So let's see what it says though on the back. Does it say on here? No, see, this box doesn't tell us. It's 600 lumens max. I believe this one does have one of those things where if you leave it on for an extended period of time, it starts going down. So it'll go down to like maybe half that, 300, and then down another step and down another step. And it's supposed to save your charge, you know. But generally you wouldn't have these things on that long anyways. You know, that's really not what they're for. So, but yeah, listen, I like the color. I don't know. I'm positive that this said it was supposed to be OD green, but this looks like a different shade to me. This looks almost like, this is more of like I would call this, I don't know. Again, I'm colorblind as I talked about in that one video of mine, but this is more of a metallic. This is maybe a burnt brown or burnt bronze, something like that. This is supposed to be, again, this is supposed to be OD green. Definitely not that, but definitely different than the Valkyrie. So anyhow, so, you know, Olights, they're decent. I wouldn't say they're military grade, certainly not, but they definitely get the job done. They are Chinesium, you know, so there's that. If you have a problem with that, if you don't support that, that's fine. You know, I'm with you there. But you know, don't go to Walmart because everything there is made in China too. Certainly don't agree with it. I'd like to see more things made here in the States, and I think we're definitely on the track for that. But yeah, at least for now, this is where we're at. So anyhow, there's the instructions there. And then I believe this might be, I don't know. I know there's different adapters for different rail systems, so that's probably what this is. So, but anyways, there's a nice little selection of Olights. When you order, definitely make an account and join their little club. I guess you get some kind of points, and as you move up, you can get some free stuff. I will put a link down here for my affiliate page. And if you want to help out the channel, go ahead and order using that. And, you know, that'll help us out. But anyways, until next time, stay tuned and peace out.